Hello my friends, and welcome back to our channel. If you're not subscribed, please do so now so you won't miss another great video from our channel. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for being part of our subscriber family. Please make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome to this new series called Filmed in Atlanta. And what we're going to do is we're going to take you through different films, different movies that was filmed here, and when you do come to Atlanta, you'll be able to go to those places and really live the movies. With that said, come with us and we're going to kick off the first one, and the first video is called The Hunger Games. We will see you in a little bit. Now you've made it to Atlanta, this is where you have to come. You have to come to Atlanta History Center. And this is located in Buckhead, Atlanta. And all you have to do is come here, free parking, get a ticket, and ask them for directions to go to the Swan House. And Swan House is where I am going to take you to see where this movie was filmed. Okay, this is the Swan House. This is the house that majority of the movie was filmed as it relates to President Snow. And this home literally is very historic, and it is fantastic looking from the outside. A little bit of background of this house. This was owned by the Inman family, and the Inman family literally is a very big name in Atlanta, Georgia. They owned cotton, I guess, farms, and that's how they made their fortune. And this family has done quite a few things for, I guess, Atlanta. So you have a high school, you have parks, you have streets named after them. So this has become a part of Atlanta history. And as you can see here, this is the yard that literally the party in the Hunger Games happened. And we'll take you down there to see how that looks. And this is literally where President Snow was talking. It's beautiful. I mean, this place is fantastic. So let's take a look at the inside of the Snow House. It is fantastic. The atrium is beautiful, beautifully done. And let's take a look at where the movies were shot. And this is actually where Snow's office is. And what they did was they actually made the actual dining room into his office. Obviously, his office needed a little bit of grandeur, needed a little room. And this is what it looks like. And I am taking you through a really quick walkthrough on what it looks like today as a dining room. Beautifully done. And this is the current day look. I believe the producers, directors, and everybody who made this film a success really did a great job. Okay, this is President Snow's actual dining room, and what you will see is it's beautifully done. However, the actual dining room is the sitting room current day. And I am going to take you through the current day sitting room, how it looks. It's beautiful, and it's really inviting. It's very, very historical. Now let's take a look at the President Snow's Victor's Party, the one that took place in President Snow's backyard. It is beautifully done. You're actually looking at the Snow House. They digitally enhanced it to look bigger, obviously. But if you are here, as I am showing you here from the back, the backyard is magnificent. It is huge. It just shows the grandeur of the place. The people who chose this place did a great job, and they were here filming for over 3 months. Now let's take a look at what President Snow will look out in when he gave the speech. If he gave the speech, this is his entire backyard. It's beautiful, it's big, and this really conveys it really is a presidential type of palace. Now you've seen the walkthrough. Here's a little information on the Atlanta History Center. This is where you have to go. And I'm leaving a little bit of information on the Hunger Games, so in case you are curious and want to see the movie. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. How much fun was that? So the next one we'll be kicking off is actually the second edition. We're going to show you another place where you could really see a fantastic view of the Hunger Games as well. After that, we're going to go into the MCU, and in the MCU we are going to kick off our Black Panther series, and you're going to love that. Before we let you go, we would like to introduce you to 3 really fantastic videos of ours. The 2 on the left is 2 of the most beautiful sunsets in North America. And the one on the left, we will introduce you to the old Tucson studios, and that is where hundreds of Western movies were filmed. Enjoy it, and we will see you in the next video.